Hello guys, so this is from Hybrid Traffic. Now we're going to tackle about the top 5 ranking Web 2.0 blog site lists for SEO and tutorials over here. So we have here the list of our Web 2.0, the top ranking Web 2.0 that we use it for decades, and we use it for ranking our website, some of our client sites too. So over here, if you want to create a powerful network of Web 2.0 blog site lists, then you may need to follow this simple procedure over here. So as you can see, we have positive Web 2.0 network over here. So you need to have a social signal. So it's vital that your Web 2.0 have some social share of any popular properties such as Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have some Web 2.0, and it's giving Facebook 171 share, and then we have Stumble 18, Reddit 15, and then number two, you need to have traffic popularity. So believe it or not, but we do believe that the traffic, or what we call TDR, is part of the ranking factors. So this one over here, it's a very powerful strategy when you have your list of Web 2.0 network. Then it's natural if you have some viewers and site popularity over here in different IPs and country. So as you can see, our post page over here, there are 200 plus viewers in our homepage, and then in the other blog post over here there are still numbers in counting over here. And then as you can see, the referral over here, so we created some social properties per Web 2.0 network, just like here. So these lists are referral links, as you can see. So when we click the Facebook or Twitter, Tumblr site, then it will redirect to our Web 2.0 network over here. So it will count as referrers. And then we have here our country. So we have different country over here. We have United States, Canada, Philippines, Kenya, Pakistan. So different IPs and different country, so to look more natural. And then we have number three over here, the related niche or brand. So we need to clarify things here. If you're building for your brand, then you should put your brand name as your subdomain in your Web 2.0. And then if you want niche related, or are you're ranking some of the keywords, then you need to put related keywords over here in your subdomain. So you have a different point over here. So if your focus is for branding, then you should create with your Web 2.0 network with your brand name and the subdomain. So different platform of Web 2.0, and then you'll put your brand name or your niche related. So it depends on your campaign structure. And then number four, we have our social fortress over here to obtain high authority sites. So you should also build a social fortress each of the Web 2.0 that you have. So this is what we do over here. So we have our Web 2.0 network. So for example, WordPress, then you should create social rings per each of your Web 2.0 networks. So for example, you created your WordPress, then you need to create social rings like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Quora, Pinterest, Vimeo, YouTube. So these are profile and social and video. So they are all high authority links pointing to your Web 2.0. So this will make more powerful of your Web 2.0. And then we have here as you can see over here, you can start with the 50 social portraits. So we have here the list over here, 1 to 50. That is high quality list. So you can do this each of your network. So for example, 50 social portraits for Web 2.0 WordPress, and another 50 social portraits for Weebly. So it's like you're creating a powerful network over here and building their authority to make them more powerful. And then number 5, you need to on-page optimize, proper on-page optimize for each of the network. So each of the network you can optimize your H1, page title, meta description, alt text, tags, categories. You can add widgets, social links, landing pages to look more natural and legitimate look. So you can create contact page, blogs, then you can do link wrapping, personal links, blogs. So anything you can do just to make them look good. So as you can see, these are example over here. We will open example. So we have here door, and then we also have our, let's try this one, Wix. Okay, so we have here our highly optimized Web 2.0 network. So we have here our personal links, as you can see, and then the other blogs interlinking, and then the keywords, and then the alt text images, and then the exact title over here, and then some cover photo. Then we have some sub keywords over here, and then the title over here. Also over here, we have here longboards, about longboards. So as you can see, we have our social properties interlinked over here on the side, and then we have some keywords, content, more images. Then you can also add more video if you want. So this is how we create a powerful network of Web 2.0, and then you need to update your content. So content is the king, so better write good content that will make sense. You don't need to spend like $10 to 20 per content. You can focus more on readability and uniqueness. So you need to update your content every month, like 2 to 3 per month post. So that will be good. And then we have here the 6 reasons why we love Web 2.0 as part of our link building strategies. So it's good for branding. So as SEO hacker mentioned over here, then we can control the network. Yes, we can control. So we can remove, add links, add more content, add images, videos, or anything you can do just to make them personalized. Then we let it grow like a real blog. So yeah, it's natural that you are creating content, then we need to grow them and feed them more quality. And then for this one, it's for long term, so it's really the best backlink so far that you can control in the Web 2.0. And then the domain and subdomain. So this is my favorite part. Feels like you can use all the features, but the only difference between free and paid is the domain name or subdomain. Yeah, but in the subdomain you can get high DA. But if you want to start the new domain, then you should start with 0. So this will make sense over here. So that's why we love Web 2.0 network. And then over here is 100 contextual backlinks. So as we can see, there are contextual links and do follow links in the Web 2.0 network in this 5 top lists. So we have here WordPress, as you can see, indexing rate is 100%, and you can view all our tutorials over here. If you don't know how to create them, then you can um, browse over here in our top Web 2.0 site list. And then our number 2 is our blogger. Then number 3 we have Weebly, and then number 4 we have Wix, and then number 5 we have Tumblr. So these are the top 5 powerful Web 2.0 network that you can do to increase your rankings and backlinks. As you can see, we created your tutorials over here, and this is how we boost up your Web 2.0 network. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please share this blog too if you have some friends that are looking for tutorials. Thank you.